When winds become restless, bright clouds grow heavy and dark, and the sun sinks under them. The silent watcher of the sky arrives, a traveler from distant lands. A dark night. This is the story of the Jacobin Cuckoo in Bengal. We call it Chaatok. West Bengal, one of the most fertile states in the nation. Nourished by the Ganga and its many tributaries. Yet, farming here still depends heavily on the rains. Without the monsoon, even the richest alluvial soils cannot yield a full harvest. It is the monsoon rains that ensure life in Bengal's fields. And this dependence on the rains forges the bond between Bengal's farmers and the Jacobin cuckoo. Though Bengal is the home of many cuckoo species like common hawk cuckoo, Indian cuckoo, plaintive cuckoo, black-headed cuckoo shrike, and many more. But still, the Jacobin cuckoo has a special place in the hearts of Bengal. In the blazing heat of summer, the farmer's eyes turn upward, searching for the one above all, the Chaatok. For generations, Bengal's farmers believe that Jacobin cuckoos are the messengers of rain. The Chaatok has arrived, means rains are a few days away. And this is not just a myth. Every year, by late May or early June, Bengal's fields echoes with this sharp, distinctive call. Each year, the Jacobins migrate from Africa to Asia. Driven by instinct, it crosses the vast Arabian Sea, a journey spanning thousands of kilometers. Here in India, the bird finds what it seeks, a refuge for breeding and abundance of food. Their timing is flawless. Each year they arrive by late May or June, followed by the monsoon clouds. Monsoon in Bengal means burst of life in its fields. Countless insects rise from the wet fields, filling the air. The Jacobin cuckoo is the hunter of the wet season. The soft-bodied insects are its main food, which they find in abundance. They don't need to worry about food in Bengal. But for the Jacobin cuckoo, monsoon offers more than just food. Monsoon rains write its legacy year after year. In Bengal, monsoon is the season of life, and it is the season of love too. By the time the Chaatok arrives in Bengal, soon-to-be parents are already at work. Branches stir with builders, each shaping a cradle for new life. Every branch, every reed hums with calls and wings. It is the season when the land, the birds and the rains move in the same rhythm of a new beginning. The Jacobin cuckoos are here for the same reason: breeding. But, like others, the Jacobin cuckoos do not build a nest or feed their babies. They are brood parasites. The Jacobin cuckoos lay their eggs in the nests of other birds. They look for an unguarded nest, sneak in, lay their eggs, and depart. The eggs are left on the mercy of the nest owner. And this is how the Jacobin cuckoo ensures the survival of their bloodline. No nest, no burden, only strategy.
Chaatok
The Jacobin cuckoos arrived with the monsoon clouds. Now, months later, the season begins to turn. By October, the rains retreat, winds shift, carrying with them cool and dry air. Bengal's vibrant green fields turn white, draped in soft waves of kash. For the people here, it is a sign of something greater. Durga Puja, the festival of light, the festival of devotion, the festival of hope. High above, the Chaatok watches. From quiet villages to the edge of bustling cities, a silent witness to the rhythm of Bengal seasons. But their time here is brief. As the last clouds fade, the Jacobin cuckoos prepare for their long journey. South. They come with the message of rains and leave just before the winter arrives. Oh, and the eggs they left behind? The nests they borrowed are now alive with new wings. We have observed young Jacobin cuckoos playing and messing around with chicks of pied starlings and bulbuls. Perhaps they are foster siblings. Soon they too will take the skies. Following the same ancient path, their kind has traced year after year. A journey not written in maps, but by instinct. With every journey, every season, nature displays its splendor, truly full of wonder.